Hey guys, welcome back to 10 and 2. Look, I made a parts explosion out of a Porsche and some Subaru stuff. So here we have a Subaru EZ30, a little bit of header action and some turbo. This is all bolted up to a Porsche Boxster transmission, a 6-speed, came complete with exhaust. Somebody spent a lot of time and effort on this. This was in another 914 and it was running and driving. Computer in a box, shifter, all the hard pipes that go with it, just stuff under the car. Got the rad and the intercooler heat exchanger. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the engine and transmission out of this cradle they've made, and then I'm going to attempt to fit it into the back of this car. I'm going to go back and take up all this room in here. How will we put this all back together? Clickbait. Better clean this up before Gord sees what a mess I made.